Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews. Today, we're checking out the Syntech USB C to USB adapter, a compact yet powerful accessory that bridges the gap between USB-C and USB 3.0 devices. Let's dive into its design, performance, and why it might be a great addition to your tech gear. The Syntech USB C to USB adapter features a premium zinc alloy metallic housing, which not only looks sleek, but also provides anti-interference protection for stable connections. The minimalist design is complemented by anti-slippery embossments, making it easy to grip when plugging and unplugging. Overall, the build quality feels solid, and it's clearly designed for long-term use. One of the standout features of this adapter is its enhanced durability. The USB-C male and USB 3.0 female connectors are rated for up to 10,000 plug and unplug cycles, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Whether you're connecting peripherals or transferring data, this adapter is built to handle it all without wear and tear. The Syntech adapter offers broad compatibility, making it a versatile option for various devices. It works seamlessly with the latest iPhone 16 series, MacBook Pro models from 2016 onwards, and MacBook Air models from 2018 onwards. Additionally, it supports most laptops, tablets, and smartphones with a USB-C port, making it a reliable companion for everyday tech needs. This package includes two high-speed adapters, perfect for both data transfer and charging. The USB 3.0 standard ensures fast transfer speeds, so you can quickly move large files or sync your devices effortlessly. Plus, Syntech includes a foam storage container, making it easy to carry both adapters when traveling. Setting up this adapter is as simple as it gets. Just plug and play, no drivers required. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you need to sync your phone, connect an external drive, or charge a device, this adapter makes the process seamless. The Syntech USB-C to USB adapter is a high-quality, durable, and efficient solution for connecting USB-C devices to USB 3.0 accessories. With premium materials, reliable performance, and wide compatibility, it's a must-have accessory for tech enthusiasts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews here on Alltech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.